Hello, my friends, and welcome to the channel Weekend Work. On this channel, I focus on remote jobs, work from home platforms, and freelancer resources. If you're looking for this kind of content, please like this video and subscribe. You can also buy me a coffee at the link below. I appreciate your support. Thank you. Today, our topic is email marketing. Email marketing is truly a superior form of marketing because every $1 spent on email marketing brings a return on investment of about $36. If you're looking to tap into email marketing for your brand or business, I will give you a step by step guide on how to set up a successful email marketing campaign. Let's get started. A good email list begins with a great email sign up form. One of the reasons email marketing is so successful is the fact that users agree to sign up with their emails to receive great deals, important knowledge or information, and access. If you have something of value for your audience and they sign up to be on your mailing list, they are more likely to actually open the email marketing campaign in their inbox. MailerLite has great sign up forms that can be customized to match your brand. They offer responsive templates with interactive pop up features. These sign up forms are business compliant and collect information that will help you create relevant segments for your email list. Personal information like name, date of birth, and reason for signing up to your email list can be collected, and this information will be useful in creating personalized newsletters for your audience. Using a person's name in a newsletter, for example, can increase open rates by 26%. So it's important to prioritize a great sign up form. You can ensure a higher rate of opening in your email marketing campaigns if you're sending out fewer emails. The more frequent the emails, the more likely the readers will unsubscribe. You need to be very intentional with the number of emails you send out to your email list. One way to do that is to segment your readers by why they signed up for your email list. If you promise them a PDF download or a discount code at sign up, give them their digital download or discount code with their welcome email as soon as possible. MailerLite has great automated features that allows you to send perfectly timed emails that are triggered when a subscriber signs up to join your email list, sends a PDF when a subscriber completes a form, or when they click on a link. If your marketing campaign is for a new product drop or a seasonal sale, you may find yourself with a group of people who began adding items to their shopping cart but never completed the purchase. You can create a new segment that can be triggered by an abandoned shopping cart. MailerLite has integrations that work with e commerce tools that are designed to increase sales. An email reminder to complete a purchase can be sent to users within 24 hours to ensure they finish their purchase. These e commerce integrations work with brands like Stripe, Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, and so much more. They also work with a range of different social media platforms, linking subscribers to the e commerce store. This whole process is automated and can be set up to roll out based on certain triggers. You can also track the sales performance of each email and use what works in future campaigns. The last point you should consider to enhance the success of your email marketing campaign is simplicity. Each email you send to your mailing list should have one major message that should be simple to read, clear, and formatted for mobile and desktop devices. so that your readers can access the newsletter on the go and on any device. You can find great newsletter templates on MailerLite. They have plug and play templates that can be customized to your brand. They have a drag and drop editor, text editor with several fonts that you can use. MailerLite also has an HTML editor that gives you the option to design custom newsletters exactly how you would want them. I hope you found this video helpful, and the information here will help you in setting up a successful email marketing campaign. Do you currently have an email list? If you'd like to turn your social media followers into an email list, I made a video that I recommend you watch next. Please like this video and subscribe and check out MailerLite. I touched on some of their amazing features in this video, but there is so much more for you to explore. If you sign up with my link, you get 30 days free as opposed to the usual 15-day free offer that new users would get. This would be a great way to support the channel because I will also get a commission based on signups and new users who use my affiliate link. I thank you in advance for using my link. Their paid subscription is only between $9 to $18 for this amazing email marketing software. And I know if you're a freelancing digital marketer or a brand owner, you would benefit from using this service. Once again, please like this video, subscribe to the channel to get notified when we upload, and if you're feeling generous, buy me a coffee in the link below. I appreciate your support. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye for now.